backwards selfie mode. Oh, whoops.
Careful, it's about the current. Don't...
Yeah, I'm going away.
Life vests check and helmets ready. I just wasn't prepared for all of the stairs. Some are very steep, so go down backwards to stay safe.
Well, this is where the bungee cord happens.
We thought that we were close because we saw water. Not the case. Now we had to descend down boulders.
Oh, great. Thank you for letting me know.
There was some mud and slick spots. Please be careful.
Oh, and it keeps going.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, wow. But I can see water.
Let's touch water first. Come on.
Okay.
After being fooled by the water once, I was not trying to get my hopes up.
Well, we got time.
Stepping on mud does not suggest it.
But then, I saw the boat. But, of course, more obstacles.
I just saw a slip on the darker rocks, so just be careful.
Yeah, the double rocks in the water.
Yeah.
The bobbing man is our rescue guide. God help us.
Alex, are you ready to catch me if I fall? Yeah. Okay. Go down.
Am I recording? Well, no, because I get a different view now. The only way to get down is to jump. It's filming, yeah? Lovely. That's it. Get your foot in. There we go. Oh, don't do that. No. And what a deep hole it was.
Nice and spring water though. Yeah, nice and refreshing. Yeah, you look great. Thank you. You're off on your own. Have fun. Good luck. Give them hell.
Oh my God.
I don't care.
Oh my God.
Coach, can she be in the front to film?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Ooh. Oh my. Ah. Thank you. Oh my Lord.
I want your guys' email so I can have the footage.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Pretty amazing. The Zambia side? The little boat?
Oh no.
I'm going in.
You have to keep the helmet on?
I'm hot as fuck.
That's it.
Are you jumping in, Chris? I think I will too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Going. Woo! Oh. Oh.
1, 2, 3. Damn it, it's cold. Ooh. Woo! So happy. Oh no, I'm doing it backwards selfie mode. Oh, whoops.
Careful, it's about the current. Don't.
Yeah, I'm going away.
Hold on to
rope, then push it off and kick it at the same time, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, oh, I'm glad.
Yeah, they're big fish for life.
Big fish for lunch. Don't say that shit.
Same time, right?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah. Okay. One sec. Oh, yep.
So is this part of Victoria Falls proper?
Yeah. Oh, they've got one other. Watch out for the rock next to you. Right, am I recording, Michelle? Michelle, am I recording? Fabulous. Forward pedal. Oh. 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 Whoa. Oh. You alright? Yeah, I'm good. Oh. And there's another one. Fucking hell.
Are we paddling or no? I don't know. I got my ass whipped.
Harder, harder. Forward, forward. Oh, oh. Get down! Forward, forward, forward!
Top part.
Pedal through the top part.
Through that first big wave, you see that white water?
On the right
Then
side.
drop into this big wave at the bottom part.
And drop in the second.
Yeah, the second.
So pedal, then drop. Okay.
Yeah, so as we
Forward pedal. Okay, and then we got the drop. Oh god. Oh, down!
We all in?
Yes! Oh. Forward! I got you! Oh! Oh! Get down!
Are we good? Paddle.
Stop!
high five! High five!
It's like a gentle breeze after that.
I'm not complaining. Holding on. Grab your safety line, Michelle.
Here we have a little.
Oh, thank you.
Number 15.
Get down. Do you know what? They're shallow. You can feel the rocks. Oh!
Where are we going? Where are we going? We're getting off?
We're not.
Oh, we walk around it.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, I got you.
Okay.
There wasn't enough water for us to continue to
Okay,
paddle,
that didn't come.
so we had to disembark and travel
he pulled
by
it.
foot.
Because it's slippery.
I feel awesome. That was so much fun.
I feel alive. I feel wet.
With my slip up earlier, I'm keeping my eyes on the holes. And we are back at it. This is level 6 of 7 for us. I'm scared I'm gonna knock somebody's teeth out. I'm gonna do this.
Stop. Oh, Michelle posing.
Damn it, man. That was fun. We did it. We did.
Yeah, it's really not what I expected in terms of the sitting on the edge. I really thought it was all in the seat, in the...
No. Yeah, it's kind of when our first time we were. I was like, oh.
This really doesn't look like this on the TV though.
We're just sitting in the middle.
Doesn't mean you're just in the middle. Come,
Going on.
Oh, I got it. Oh no, he's coming up the right. He's coming up.
Oh,
So we walk to one, and then we paddle.
oh my God. Jesus. And now we get sand. There's a load of water. Butterflies, so cute.
No, you guys can just stop.
We're having lunch.
That's a nice shot.
Okay.
Oh, that's right. Cannot be bothered. Watch out for that one, yeah.
Lunchtime!
Carrots and green beans, rice, and chicken, and
Ha, don't judge me. I took breaks.
No, we're definitely doing that. Michelle has braved it well, but it is hot and we are tired now. And this is apparently the top. God help us.
death. I feel like death. I'm so exhausted. This makes no sense. Should have been a rafting and hiking trip, not just a river rafting, because we were canyoneering. We were rappelling, scaling, whatever you want to call it, we were doing it. Okay, so what you're saying is you see elephants now, and I could have been using the bathroom next to the elephant.
Yeah, probably yes.
Okay.